Hi beautiful Nana Obis, welcome back to my channel guys. In today's video we're going to be unboxing the popular Shein and Temu is all going to be unboxing today. Yes guys, see we have two packages here from Shein and Temu. Guys, you know, funny enough, just Shein is somewhere where I have gotten used to getting, you know, all those very little funny things that you're just surprised to see. So many productions of different kind of things. Yes, but I've never gotten used to buying clothes there because I just feel maybe the clothes they're selling there is not that fine. But don't quote me, I think they still sell very fine clothes, just as I've not known how to find my way around the Shein thing, getting clothes and everything there. But I know that this particular girl on YouTube, Amma, she usually shops from Shein and she usually gets these very nice dresses from there. And also Temu is something I've come across recently through a subscriber. I watched her video and I tried them. Their delivery was not as fast as Shein was to me, but nevertheless they still delivered, right? And in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a few things I got from them, not clothes. Remember I said on Shein and Temu I tend to be getting just very minimalistic things you hardly find, and sometimes you just go there, you're surfing the internet, you're seeing so many things that that you feel that can be handy and you just buy it. Okay, so first we're going to be opening this one, which is from Shein. We're going to be opening this one, which is from Shein. Yes, I didn't get anything for myself. Apparently I got things for my kids, but I didn't get for myself. I don't know if it's only me. Recently I hardly buy things for myself. Everything is just my kids, things I feel that they need. So guys, I bought this casing for their iPad, but at the end of the day I found out that it is too big and I don't even know how to return it. I don't know how to return it, so I don't know. Maybe probably I just keep it here till I get the one, till whenever I have an iPad in the house that suits this particular size. Do you understand? So that's just it. And the second thing I got from them was this bonnet that the kids used to cover their hair. She still uses mine, which is not bad, but I just felt I should get hers for her as well. What it looks like, I'm going to open it right now. I got the
Mommy, what you can check the bed door? Mommy.
I got the pink and the black one. This is just for the kids. It's even written there for your kids. So I just feel the head size will be a bit tighter, though she uses mine and we don't have any problem with that, but I got her this one as well.
Good.
So the next thing I got from them is this very thin hair, which is something I got for my baby's photo shoot. Actually, if you watched my video, some videos I posted before this one, I don't know. I got this very tiny dress for photo shoot for my daughter. Yes, and it came with a bow tie. This is like a skirt. I don't even know how it's done, how it's worn, but I'll figure it out the day I'll be dressing her. So this is it as well. So I just saw it there. It was very tiny and looking fine. I think they have nice things for kids than adults. I don't know. I think they have nice things for kids than adults. I also got this for Chizitello right on the Shein app. Yeah, I think it looks very fine. I got it in 2 colors. It's a turtleneck. I got it in 3 colors. Yes, it's a turtleneck and it's perfect for this season. I also got this again for Chizitello. Actually I went to get minimalistic things and I said, since they're popping up, that looks nice, and I said let me just get it for her as well. So nothing here is mine. Funny enough, what mothers do, mothers don't get things for themselves. They're just there getting for their children. Also this is for Chizitello as well. So yeah, this is for her as well. I love how simple it is. And also surprisingly the material is giving. It's very, very giving. Also, this very tiny thing, I don't know what it is. Guys, I'm so crazy. I got this thing to, I don't know how it's even used, but the deal is it helps you to, it helps to hold your eye when you open it. I don't even know. I think it's to hold your eye when you're trying to wear lashes so that you don't blink. People like us that blink a lot, so I think it might definitely be handy. And this is a bathroom stuff, like I think it's something you just hang like this and you put your, what is it called, you put the things you want to put inside. I think that is what it is. I'm probably going to use this one as thumbnail. Probably going to use this one as thumbnail. So let's just get it. Yes. Yes, so that's about it with Shein. And we go right to the next one, which is Temu. Okay guys, I forgot to show you guys this very last one here. I just found it right here. So this is it. This is like just net kind of thing. Very good quality, guys. When you go on this Shein to buy things, Shein and Temu, make sure you read the description. Make sure you read the, you know, people that buy things there already, the, what is it called, the rating, and yeah, it usually they speak sincerely. If it's not good, they're gonna talk it there. If it's bad material, they're gonna speak it there. They don't hide anything. So this one I'm unboxing now is from Temu. I'm just surprised they didn't put that their Temu badge thing on this pack. Maybe they've changed how they package, but most of the packages I see on the internet, it has this Temu wrap thing, but my own came very differently. I don't know, or maybe it went through security check. It was unpacked and repacked back for me. So I got this weave from them for my daughter. So I got this weave from them for my daughter. It's pre-stretched attachment, but with these two colors, black and pink. So I got it too. I don't know if it will be enough for her hair, but whatever the case may be, I'll try to make it as much as possible to be enough for her hair, which means I'm going to divide her hair in a sizable way that it's gonna fit the size of her head, if I may put it that way. This particular one here, I got it specifically because of this very one. You know, this stuff they use in putting beads on children's hair. That was the reason I got this. But because it came as a pack, it came with comb. I don't know what this one is for in particular, and I'm not sure what this one is for in particular, but the main reason for getting this pack is the beads hanger. Okay, I told you guys on Shein and Temu you just see crazy things. So I got this particular thing there also. The idea of this is when you make your kids hair with rubber or things like that, you don't look for knife, you just use this to cut it through. Very nice. I love it. I love how people just initiate so many things. Their initiative is wonderful. Trust me, it's wonderful. Okay, if I tell you guys how I got this thing, it's very funny. So this was my first time on shopping on Temu, and I didn't know after shopping and other things that you click along after paying goes right into your basket, and everything is going to come in at the same time. So by the time I got myself, I have clicked about 2 or 3 before I looked at the options very well and started clicking on the right option. So that is how I got this. But the plan was just to put it in my cart and not to shop it immediately. But it's just like a human hair kind of cap thing. Like if I want to pack Chizitello ponytail, I can just use it at the end of it and tie it up there. That was how this one came about. Tell me what I'm using this thing to do. I don't know. But the picture I saw there was so lovely. It was used on the girl's hair. She made all back. And she used it to kind of design her all back. She was putting the strands in the all back and giving it a nice color at the end of the day. So I loved it. I said, okay, fine. If I make my daughter's all back hair, maybe I'll use it for her as well. Okay, and this is the other thing I got. This is like mixture of glue, less glue removal, wig tint, of course band cap. It came with different things inside it. Yes, let's open it and see what it actually came with. It came with this, which is wig tint. You know, when you get a new wig, some of them usually come with this color that is white or something. So this is like just a brown tint that I can use and tint the inner, so it matches the color of your head and it doesn't look so obvious. And this is the baby hair comb thing, and this is the band to lay your edges, and this is the edge control, and this is the hair wax for flying hair, and this is the glue and the glue remover. This is the glue and the glue remover. So it came with just a very comfortable pack that has so many things inside it all in one. So this is it. So I got this one as well, and I don't know, I saw this thing there, 7 days tooth powder that whitens your teeth, so I got it. Probably I'm gonna try it. So this one is just like a winter cap for the kids, and I got a screen guard for my phone, and I got a pack for my phone, and I got a comb, the tangling comb, and I got shower cap, and what again? I got shower cap, and the last inside this bag. Okay, I got a shower cap. I got the shower caps, and I got this band that you put on the nose. It's as if you opened your nose, but it didn't open your nose. I saw it and I loved it. So you just hang it somewhere here like this. It's as if you opened your nose, but it didn't open your nose. It looks so lovely. So I got it as well. I'm loving it already. So I got it there as well. Yeah. And also I got this popular stretcher. I don't know, like it stretches hair so bad or so, I don't know, but I got it, and I think I'm gonna be loving it as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be loving it as well. So I got it there as well in Temu. So guys, these are the things I got. Hope this video was not everywhere. I tried to show you guys most of the things I have gotten, and these are it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please remember to do so. Give this video a thumbs up. I love doing this, and share this video to your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.